Who says flexible stone has to be a single color? Printed colors make design limitless. We are a factory offering complete solutions. Equipment, color design, and finished product delivery. Engineered for flexible stone. Precise printing, maximum efficiency. Maximum printable specification, 1.3 meters x 3 meters. Thick or thin, we can print it all. We offer countless colors for you to choose from. Feel free to leave a message for inquiries.